I was one of those guys that thought like it went in like this instead of this, and can't clip that for TikTok. But anyways, I was like uneducated. I didn't have a male role model, and my mom never had like the talk with me. She was alone, by herself, kind of raising a boy, and I'm lucky to have turned out the way I am. I was scared of girls. I was scared that they would like, I don't know what would have happened. I was like, I didn't want my dick to explode. I didn't know what was gonna happen. You know what I mean? But honestly,
that was great awareness for sure, especially as a young kid. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I mean, like I didn't even think about diseases and shit. But the biggest fear I had was, even though I knew I wanted to be a parent, I said, I'm too young. I don't want to get a girl pregnant. So that was kind of always running through my head. I thought as soon as I put as soon as I slide it in, she's going to get knocked up. And I'm like, I couldn't imagine having a child at such a ripe age. Probably better if I don't. I had a couple opportunities I'll never forget, and they were great until, and I think I may have told you this before, but when you're doing a lot of heavy petting and dry humping with fucking jeans on, and she's got jean shorts on.
Oh, chafing, raw.
Bro, my dick looked like it had road rash. And so, yeah, needless to say, that also kind of turned me off.
Yeah.
And it wasn't until I was, I think it was like 20 years old. Yeah, I was ripe into 20. And the girl that I got a job at a place because of her, I ended up sleeping with her.